गोयचे बरेचशे विद्यार्थी दोतोरकीचे शिक्षण घेवपाक भायर वतात अशें दिसून आयलां। युक्रेनांत लेगीत गोंयचे विद्यार्थी दोतोरकीचे शिक्षण घेवपाक गेल्ल्याचें चित्र हालीं स्पश्ट जालां। ते खातीर राज्य सरकारान वैजकीय महाविद्यालयाचो आंकडो वाडोवपाची गरज आसा अशें मत भाजपाचे भलायकी विभागाचे समन्वय डॉक्टर शेखर साळकर हांणी व्यक्त केलां। दक्षिण गोंयांत वैजकीय महाविद्यालय बांदपाचो सरकाराचो ह्यान पयलीं प्रस्ताव आशिल्लो, ते खातीर ह्या प्रस्तावा विशीं परत सरकारान विचार करप म्हत्वाचें आसा अशें मत डॉक्टर साळकर हांणी व्यक्त केलें। ते भाजपा कार्यालयांत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत उलयताले।
It is actually surprising that so many students were there. I think nobody has imagined that itke burge amche bahar shikta astale म्हणून. But now, if so many people are going outside, then I think there should be more private colleges, or government should invest more in the medical colleges in each district. Government has a plan that each district should have one medical college. It may be a private, it may be a government. And itke burge jar bahar are, like Goa only, I think there are some 500 students in south there. That means one more medical college can suffice. So South Goaचे आमचे जे medical college चे जे एक हे आशिल्ले स्वप्न आशिल्ले सगळ्यांचे, that can be come in the reality. So see, yes, I agree that because of what you call reservations and all, those who are having high marks, they are frustrated, so they pay and they go and study. But it's not only reservation, it's a number of seats also. So government has to increase. If you want to give reservation, okay, you give reservation, but increase the number of seats so that those who deserve also get.